Welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video. Today we'll be deciding whether this Audi Q5 lives up to its practicality and performance element, and looking at all the statistics and the luxurious insides that you get on this SUV. So let's get straight into it. So then let's start off with the colour that you get on this one. This is finished in the Myphos black. It looks sporty and mean, especially in the black. Most cars do, but you do get lost in the black edition features. You get most of the black edition alloy wheels, you get the black trims, the black side skirts, but they all get lost with the Myphos black metallic. So that's the only problem I have with the colour. But it does look very aggressive, so let's check out that aggressive front. So then, starting off at the front, you get the LED animations just on unlocking the car. These got daytime running lights as well, but this has got the black edition like I mentioned, so you get the black trim around the big black grille that you get. I do like the new and updated 2024 black grille. Check that video out, it's on the top right now, but it's a shame that you don't get the blacked out logo. It does stand out, that one with the silver, but it's not as more sportier when you get the black one. But you get the texture design just down the bottom, the front parking sensors and the plasticky front splitter. A little bit of a shame about that, but overall it does give it a sporty look. So what about the side and the alloys? So then from the side, this is the fourth biggest SUV in the Audi's model range. Goes Q7, Q8, then Q6 and then the Q5. So let's check out the alloys that rest on this enormous body. You get the 20-inch alloy wheels, the 5 V-spoke star sign finished in the anthracite gloss black. Now these are absolutely stunning. They look sporty, they look mean, and they look fantastic with the red brake calipers and the little red writing that you get on it saying Audi Sport. Now they're quite cool. With the black edition you also get the blacked out wing mirror and the black side skirt, but like I did say, they do get blended in, which is such a shame. You also get the tinted black back window. So let's check out the back. So then starting from the top, we forgot to mention about the roof bars that you get on the side, which is great for vacation days. But carrying on down, you get the extended roof spoiler, which is quite handy, which keeps the rain out. You also get the silver badging. Shame about the black not being on them, because it does bring it out a lot nicer. You got the 40 TDI and the Quattro, which is needed for the UK, which is all-wheel drive, which makes it really easy to drive in the snow. Not to mention you also got the Q5 badging. But then finally, going down, you get the fake plastic exhaust tailpipes, which don't make it look that sporty. When the exhaust tailpipes, you see them, they do make it look a lot more aggressive and sportier from the rear. So then let's hop in, because let's see them seats. So then the sporty design carries on the inside, and you get the full leather sport front seats. Now these are heated, electronically adjustable. They have the leg extender and the S-line embossed. They've got the diamond pattern with the grey stitching. These are a combination of sporty and luxurious when you're sitting in them. So then let's talk about the inside now. You get the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. You've got the digital display just behind the multifunctional flat-bottomed leather steering wheel. You've got the S-line at the bottom. You've got the gear pedals just behind, speed limiter, and you've got the digital display that's really cool. If you view it, it extends the navigation. This can do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going down, you've got the free zone climate control, which is really handy for both passengers. You've also got the automatic gear selector and the cool foldable drawer just down in the centre with a volume button, 2 cup holders and a big centre armrest. But I wanted to show you how cool that this changeable infotainment screen really is. So starting on the main menu, we scroll over and we can go into car, and this has some cool options that you can change. So this can then go on, for starters, for parking aid. This has got the automatic or activation, the front volume as well. That's really handy for parking in a spot. Then we've got the Audi Drive Select, so you've got the 5 different options. You've got off-road, efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic. So if we go into light and vision, we can change the ambient lighting that you get on the interior. So if we go into background lighting, we've got the already set ones, the Impulse, Maritime, Caribbean and Audi Drive Select. But if you go on individual and a little edit button, then this can change the surface and contours for the sides of the vehicle. And this is really cool. You've got 30 different colours to choose from, which makes it very personal. And you can also change the brightness of how you want it. So that's really cool. I really like that feature, and it will really stand out in the night time. So, and lastly, you've got the driver assist. So you've got speed warning, Audi pre-sense, hazard alerts, arrest recommendation as well. So they're quite cool, as well as some of that scroll down menu with the connected devices. So that's really changeable on the infotainment center, and that's one of the best things that I really like about the Q5 is how personal you can really make your vehicle. So then, carrying on the back, you get the sporty back seats as well with the diamond pattern and the grey stitching. But what is cool is that these seats can be moved forward and back, which gives you a lot more room, which is great for the backseat passengers and if you've got stuff in the boot. But this has also got the centre armrest. I love this design because it's so smooth with the two cup holders that fold out, and that just makes it a lot more of a smoother design when you're trying to rest on them long journeys. You've also got the Alcantara on the doors, the ambient lighting as well, which is really good, and so much storage in the doors. But you've also got so much space, headroom and knee room, which is really good for this massive SUV. So then let's take a look at the boot space, and now this has the automatic tailgate. With 2 clicks of a button, the boot will automatically open, and you can notice straight away how enormous this boot is. It can hold 520 litres of boot space with the seats up, but them seats can be folded down and give you a whopping 1,520, which is huge, which makes this so great for them vacation days, whether you've got 5, 2 or 1 person in the car, which makes it great as well. Not only that, with the automatic tailgate, it'll be easier for them shopping to put your bags in straight away. You also have the roof bars in the back as well, but they can be taken out and left until them vacation days. So then let's hear some power statistics. This is the 40 TDI diesel version. It's got a 2-litre engine, a 0 to 62 time in 7.6 seconds, top speed of 137 miles per hour and 201 brake horsepower. So this can be rivaled up against the Mercedes-Benz GLC class. But I much prefer the Audi's interior and the Audi's class on the outsides compared to the GLC. Which one would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. But nevertheless, this can pack a punch still. So then, with a large boot space of 520 litres, it packs a punch with a 0 to 62 time of 7.2 seconds. Is this the best practical and performance SUV on the market? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the Audi Q5. And nevertheless, we've got loads of special offers right now on our website, so check the link in our description. But until next week, I'll see you later.